morning children. Today I am going to start online classes. I take 6th standard science subject. I am going to teach the topic sources of food. Why do we eat food? To live and grow, isn't it? It is an important whether you eat or not. But the food you eat should be nutritious food. What are the nutritious food? Nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals or nutrients. Okay, you are learn about from the 5th standard for the nutrition food. Okay, children. Next you take the next one, function of food. First one, growth. Second one, repair. Third one, produce energy. Fourth one, protection. Repeated, first one, growth, repair, produce energy, protection. Growth, it is the essential growth of plant, growth of humans. It helps us to baby grow into adult. Second one, repair. We need the food, damage the cells and tissues, heals of wound. Third one, produce energy. We need the food to make the energy, to get energy from the various activities. Third one, protection. We need the food to prevent the diseases and make it body healthy. Are you understand? First one, function of food. First point, growth, repair, produce energy, protection. Next one, variety of food. Variety of food. In India, many countries and many states eat the different varieties of food. In North Indians eat wheat. The people North Indians eat wheat for the staple food people living there. It used to make chapati, buri. In the southern Indian people's staple food, rice to people living there. It is used to make curd rice, lemon rice and idli and dosai. Okay. Next one, the coastal region peoples are mostly eat in the seafoods. Seafoods meaning fish, crab and prawns. Okay. Next part of the lesson, food habits. Food habits of animals. Plants are producer, animals are consumers. Animals are only directly and indirectly to feed the food. First, the food habits of animals are divided into 5 categories. First one, herbivorous. Second one, carnivorous. Third one, omnivorous. Fourth one, scavenger. Fifth one, parasite. First one, herbivorous. Second one, carnivorous. Third one, omnivorous. Fourth one, scavenger. Fifth one, parasites. Herbivorous animals are only eaten the plant. Plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Example, cow, goat, giraffe, rabbit are plant eating animal. Plant eating animals are divided into two parts. First one, grasses, browsers. Grasses are eaten the only small plants. Example, rabbit. Browsers are only eaten the shoot, leaves and twigs. Example for the elephant and rhino. Next one, these herbivorous plants teeth are, herbivorous animals teeth are flat and in the grinding teeth. Next one, inside have the grinding teeth. These are easily chew the food. Next one, carnivorous. Flesh eating animals are called carnivorous. Example, lion, tiger. These teeth are called sharp pointed teeth and scissors cutting shape of the teeth. Next one, omnivorous. Omnivorous animals are eaten the plant and animal. Plant and animal. Example, omnivorous crow, bear, man. Scavenger. Scavengers are the only eat the dead of the carnivorous omnivorous animals are eaten the animal. That only example for crow, vulture. The scavengers are very important for the scavenger in the keep the environmental or surrounding fully clean it. Okay, next one, parasite. Parasites are ectoparasite and endoparasite. Ectoparasite and endoparasite. Ectoparasite and endoparasite. Ectoparasite are in the humans outside the body. Example for the lice, bedbug or the example for the ectoparasite. Endoparasite animals are in the humans inside the body for the digestive system of intestine. Okay, this is the example for endoparasite, ascaris and tapeworm. Ascaris meaning only living on the human's digestive system. Okay, thank you children.